Well, it's a rainy morning in Costa Rica. It's supposed to clear up at least a bit for a couple of hours, so we're going to try to get to Manuel Antonio Park during that time. We are in the rainy season and the cold front's coming in, so some rain is to be expected. The fact that we've been pretty lucky with not having to explore in the rain so far is pretty good. You can see it's still beautiful, nice and lush. Sitting out on the porch here when it's raining is actually really beautiful. You see, you got a nice porch area like I showed. So we're just gonna wait a bit longer and then get an Uber to Manuel Antonio because there's like no parking there. On top of the fake like official people trying to like pressure you into their parking lots. By taking an Uber, we can just avoid that whole drama right from the get-go. So ate some toast. Not allowed to bring any food into the park, only reusable water bottles. So we're just gonna buy some food once we're in there because there's shops and stuff. I'm gonna bring my umbrella, and then my mom's and Brad, I guess, is gonna wear their ponchos for the first time this trip. So considering we're like day 8 or 9, that's actually pretty good. So can't complain, right? I mean, even in the dry season it can rain. It's just less likely, right? But look at the greenery around here. This is why coming at this time is actually better, because it's just so lush. So hopefully with the rain and us going in the morning, we'll be able to see some sloths. We'll be able to see some animals because they come out whenever it rains. So pros and cons, right? So let's just get ready to go and then catch you at the park. Set it up. All right, well, we got all our stuff, got the backpack, just waiting at the road for our Uber. I think that's her right there.
Oh, it's her?
So let's get in and let's go. That's what he was trying to get us to do.
Yeah. So what are all these people?
They're in a group private.
Yeah, they're all
okay.
like...
All right, we made it past the entrance here. Got hounded for a guide, but was bold enough to tell him no. So, just gonna take a picture of the map here, figure out where we're going, and then go there. Right on. Let's hopefully we see some stuff. Without a guide, it's kind of hard, but
walk where everybody else is looking.
Yeah, but then we'll see.
Is that whale tail? I got a good picture of the other one, but you couldn't really tell he was a crab, like Sarah said.
That one you can.
I don't even see the other one.
Alright, let's see what's under this log here.
There might be poisonous stuff.
They fly funny, eh? Like Brad said, like a bat.
The crazy bamboo here. Going up into the jungle. Well, just making our way up to the mirador. Haven't seen a sloth yet, but we saw some frogs, some crabs, all sorts of other stuff.
Birds.
Nice peaceful walk through the jungle. Nobody comes this way because of this hill. I know you can't see it on the camera, but it is a hill. Maybe you can see from Brad. Yeah, you can kind of tell going that way. But just trying to see if we can see a sloth this way. If not, then at least there's a lookout at the end.
Hold on. Oh, yeah. You were bringing that thing with you.
Whoa, I'm stuck in his web. I'm sorry, buddy. Oh, there he goes. Get on your leaf.
Duck blood.
Man, that is like grippy. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Well, made it to the top of these stairs. I don't think we're over yet though. Oh wow. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that beauty.
Maybe we'll see some humpbacks out in the water.
If you don't mind a wet ass, you can sit there. Oh, something just hit me.
Look at that.
Oh my word.
Beautiful. Making our way to the mirador.
In the very corner of the railing.
Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Down. That can't be good.
We're going down now. Well, we're down these stairs. What other stairs do we got to do? All right, we made it to the mirador.
Cactus.
Oh wow. Wow, that's pretty. Pretty cool though, eh, Mom?
It is
It would be
cool.
so cool if there was a sloth on the end of that tree over there.
Oh yeah. Look at that. I don't know if you could pick it up on the camera, but the cloud is moving through the jungle here. Heading back down from the mirador. Don't know if my mom and Brad are going to check out the other mirador, but I might. We'll see once we get back down. A lot of stairs to this one, a lot of hill to climb, so we'll see what's up.
Step on it off the front part.
A lot of stairs, a lot of stairs. Pretty decent. Keep going and going and going.
A lot of these ants are lazy. There's only one with the leaf going in. Oh, there's a couple.
Are they leaf cutter?
Yeah. See, he's bringing his leaf in.
Oh yeah.
All right, well, we're done the stairs, heading back to where the bathrooms are and the beach and everything. And then we'll decide if we want to do the other mirador afterwards. See? All right, we're almost down to the beach. It's drizzling a little bit. Well, not really, I guess. But either way, here's the beach. Beauty. Because of the rain, it's not so Brad friendly today. Well, pura vida. go check out this side.
Right?
Well, that was a little bit of a pricey, but all right, lunch, I guess. So now we're just gonna head to the other mirador before taking the sloth trail back to the entrance. So see what we can see and then head out. We went that way to that mirador. Now we're gonna do the other one.
All is closed.
There's still the other.
Lip currents. So you don't swim more.
Well, you can, just be careful. Vea las llamadas.
Of them. Look at them go. Oh yeah.
Got some more howlers up there. Now we're just heading back to see if we want to do the other mirador trail because this one was closed. But that's all right. Maybe we'll do the other one. Maybe we'll head out. I don't know. Look at this massive tree that came down.
I pushed that over with my bare hands. It's in the way.
Let's see them in here.
Blowing up. Oh no.
So cool.
I gotta just watch them with my eyes because I'll lose them.
Looking at us now.
Yay!
I'll take yours because you're. Oh, look at him.
Oh, hi, buddy. Hello, sweetheart. Oh,
Oh, look at
look at
he's
him
so
moving.
cute.
Oh,
You
sweetheart.
noticed that he tried to run for his life.
Oh,
That's funny.
hey, buddy. Well, at least we got to see one. Well, as you saw, we saw a sloth. Yes, just a little baby. Well, like teenager, whatever you want to call it, because babies are with their mom. But what a sweetheart. Now we're just coming back down to this side to take up the Mirador Trail. It's kind of on like the tail piece. And yeah. And then after that, we'll go get Brad again. And then we will be off back to the Airbnb, grab an Uber, and see about dropping off our laundry. There he is. See, look at the capuchin.
Make a little house.
Capuchin. Oi, buddy.
A year, right? That they stay with their
Well, we
mother?
saw our second sloth of the day, curled up in a ball. Couldn't see his face because he was curled up pretty damn tight. But now we're going to see if we can make it up to the middle dog within time, because this trail closes at 3. It's currently 2 p.m. This is Espadilla Beach. And now we're going to see if we can make it up. It says that there's some climbs, so we'll see what that's about. It says difficulty level hard, so we'll see. But if we make it up there, we'll show you the views along the way, and also the view once we're up there. Wow, this is beautiful. Well, we're starting our ascent. It's going up over there so far. Stopping to take a look at the cute little waterfall, which is probably not even here during dry season. Saying that we should have hiking shoes on.
Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah.
Isla Oloquita. Pretty far down. Not done yet. We got to go around the tail. This is longer for sure.
This might go down and then back up.
Yeah, like the tail. It's just the different elevation. All right, we're going down. We're making it. And it's only 2:15.
Holy crap, only took us 15 minutes to do that.
Yep. Well, we were walking pretty fast.
Oh, I'm gonna feel this later.
It's okay, you got a pool to relax into.
After the first one, second one. Oh, here's another place to look out.
Take a quick little gander out here. And then continue, I suppose. Oh, there should be.
Oh, look at the rocks down there.
Oh, wow.
Got a cathedral thing. You
Wow.
can see through there. Or dolphins.
Oh, this is where you could possibly see humpbacks. Look at the waves.
That'd be so cool to see that.
It's all like kind of darker and moody. Although it looks brighter on the camera, but now this feels like a tropical rainforest. Look at this. Yeah.
Oh, you heard a little bits of water beside you.
Hold on, Mom. Go stand on the bridge with Dawn.
He's looking.
Is that him right there?
Yeah.
See him in my camera?
Oh yeah. Wonder what he is.
I don't think this trail's hard at all. I don't know what they're talking about. Unless their legs are just conditioned from doing that first one.
I don't know, I don't find this any harder than the first.
Something smells like pee here.
Yeah, it does. Somebody has to.
See, here's where we are here. Isla Verde, that's where we are.
Where?
We're Isla Verde and we're right here. So we're almost all the way around.
We're right where? Here?
Yeah, with the
And we
storm.
just have to go here?
Yeah. Look, and there's that beach we were at. Over there. We saw the iguana.
Oh yeah.
See,
No.
there's the rock on the other side. Cool.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, look. Oh, let's see. Oh, somebody just proposed. He just came out of the jungle. Look at the big bird up there, man. Alrighty, well, we're officially done the trail. As you can see, we're just heading out. We're gonna go get Brad, take the sloth trail back to the entrance, and then get out of here. What a beautiful day in this Manuel Antonio Park.
Oh, he's still there, all curled up.
Yep, and there's a sloth right there. It's the same sloth we saw on the way in. But he's all curled up, you can't even tell. He's a sloth. But still super cute anyways. Look at his little claw. Love it.
You seen his little claw?
Yeah, hanging on. Alright, let's go get Brad. I forgot to mention that I don't think that trail was as hard as the first Mirador trail that we did. So I don't know why that one's labeled moderate and this one's labeled hard, when I don't think it was that hard. A little long. Oh, capuchin.
Yeah, the monkey. Show the people the monkey.
Another cute little capuchin. Oh, hear their calls?
Yeah. Oh my God, they're so cute.
Oh, he's gonna jump. He's going up the tree. He's gonna grab onto the frond. See, there he is. He's on top of the palm tree now. Oh, look at them up there.
Yeah.
There's like a whole family of them. That's not a capybara.
No?
No. Don't you see him straight ahead right there?
Yeah, I see him. I just can't see him good.
That's what we saw, and that's an agouti. Hi, sweetheart.
Wow, he's so blue, eh? They're so blue.
No, I want to know how to say por favor.
You just said it.
Yeah, but I would have forgot.
Oh boy, my legs are going to be crying after.
Well, we're pretty much at the exit. This is Manuel Antonio. We're gonna get the Uber, head back to the Airbnb, possibly go out and find ourselves a laundry place, and spend the rest of the night in the Airbnb, I suppose. Maybe go pick up our laundry later and figure out if we're gonna the Noyaka waterfall thing for tomorrow morning and what other plans we have. And then, yep, so catch you later.
He's out of his work area.
Isn't he cute? Well, what a beautiful end to a beautiful day. Manuel Antonio this morning came back, went to the grocery store, dropped off the laundry, got that done, we got it back. Cost about $33 for about 7 kilos worth of laundry. A little bit expensive, but it did include the wash, the dry, and the fold, and they delivered it to our Airbnb. So not that bad, I guess. We kind of needed it done. Some of the clothes are starting to stink from being wet for too long. So came back, ate dinner, had some rice and salad and hot dogs for the meat. Meat's pretty expensive here, but we'll buy some more in the next couple of days and have like actual chicken or pork chops or whatever. And then played Wizard, had a couple of drinks, and now we're just gonna, about 10:30 p.m., quarter after 10, which is kind of late for us, to be honest. We're gonna go to bed so we can go to Noyaka waterfall early tomorrow morning. Hopefully it's swimmable. It did rain a lot, well, not a lot, but it did rain off and on today, and then in the evening it did have quite the downpour, so I don't know if it'll be swimmable. So keep your fingers crossed for us for that. Well, actually, by the time you see this, I guess we will have done it or not done it, so I guess no point in keeping your fingers crossed, but we'll let you know tomorrow if we do it or not. All right.